Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is your morning. We'll practice simple English you can use every day.
Yes, morning English is super helpful. You talk about it at school, at work, or with friends.
If you want easy English lessons like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. It really helps us.
Okay, ready? Let's talk about your morning.
Let's start with the first phrase. I wake up at. Repeat after me. I wake up at.
Good. Now examples. Maya, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. Not too early, not too late.
Nice. I wake up at 7. I like slow mornings.
Now, you at home, say it with us. I wake up at 7:30. Again, I wake up at 7:30.
Great job.
Our next phrase is, I get out of bed. This means you leave your bed after waking up.
Example, I wake up at 6:30 and I get out of bed at 6:40. I stay a little longer because I love my blanket.
Same. I sometimes get out of bed late, too. Your turn. I get out of bed at 7:10.
Good job. Keep going. Okay, next simple action. I brush my teeth.
Repeat after us. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Here's another. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Now you. I brush my teeth in the morning. Again, I brush my teeth in the morning.
Nice. You're improving already. Let's talk about breakfast. 2 useful phrases are I eat and my breakfast is.
Example, I eat bread and eggs. Simple, easy.
Example, my breakfast is a banana. Quick breakfast.
My breakfast is tea and biscuits.
Great. And one more. I eat rice in the morning. Very natural in many countries. Let's do a short morning conversation. First, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth. What do you eat?
I eat a banana. It's quick.
Okay, now repeat after us. Slowly. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth.
I eat a banana.
Nice. Good practice.
Wrap up. All right. Today you learned how to talk about your morning.
Here are the key phrases. I wake up at.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I eat my breakfast is. Practice these every day. Simple English becomes easy English when you repeat it.
And now a funny question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Right.